Psalm 132. Lord, remember David with all his affliction, who sware unto the Lord and vowed unto the mighty God of Jacob, saying, I will not enter into the tabernacle of mine house, nor come upon my pallet or bed, nor suffer mine eyes to sleep, nor my eyelids to slumber, until I find out a place for the Lord, an habitation for the mighty God of Jacob. Lo, we heard of it in Ephrathah, and found it in the fields of the forest. We will enter into his tabernacle, and worship before his footstool. Arise, O Lord, to come into thy rest, thou and the ark of thy strength. Let thy priests be clothed with righteousness, and let thy saints rejoice. For thy servant David's sake refuse not the face of thine anointed. The Lord hath sworn in truth unto David, and he will not shrink from it, saying, Of the fruit of thy body will I set upon thy throne. If thy sons keep my covenant and my testimonies that I shall teach them, their sons also shall sit upon thy throne forever. For the Lord hath chosen Zion, and loved to dwell in it, saying, This is my rest forever, here I will dwell, for I have a delight therein. I will surely bless her victuals, and will satisfy her poor with bread, and will clothe her priests with salvation, and her saints shall shout for joy. There will I make the horn of David to bud, for I have ordained a light for mine anointed. His enemies will I clothe with shame, but on him his crown shall flourish.